Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about convert function. You know, it's a very powerful function in Excel, and with this function we can convert ton of things. Like we can convert gram to kilogram, meter to kilometer, day to minute, and so more. Here I have the formula here, equal sign, convert function. This one is the number. I should choose the number. After that, from unit to unit, I have to convert this. So for example, we have here ton and we have gram. I want to convert it to gram. So I just select cell, equal sign, convert. I should select the number. I select the number, comma. After that, I should put quotation mark, and ton, ton, quotation mark, comma. After that, I have here gram. I can select or type this one. I just press tab and close the bracket and enter. You can see now I have converted the ton to gram. So the next one we have the Fahrenheit, and this one is Celsius, and I want to convert it, the temperature. Okay, equal sign, convert, select the cell, comma, quotation. After that, I want to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. F, quotation, comma, and Celsius, close the bracket and enter. You can see I have Celsius here. This one is mile per hour. I want to change it to meter per second. So I just write equal, convert, select the number, comma, and I choose mph, quotation, comma. So that I have here meter per second, and close bracket and enter. You can see I have to change it. It's pretty easy, and here we can change for to inch. I just write equal sign, convert. I select the number, comma, quotation, ft, just put quotation, comma, and here I have in, quotation, quotation, close the bracket and enter. You can see it works magically. I have these are just few examples, and we can convert many things. Like we can convert Newton to Joule, and meter to centimeter to kilometer, and etc. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.